What are you putting on?
Okay.
What is it called?
Hiccup.
What is it called?
Cupcake.
What is it called?
Cupcake.
What's it called, Eli?
Cupcake.
Cupcake? I thought it was a hiccup.
Hiccup.
That's hiccup? Whose is that?
Mommy's.
Mommy's what?
Mommy hiccup.
Mommy hiccup. Can I have some? Can I put some on? Thank you. Here, put it away.
Hiccup.
What is this called again?
Hiccup.
A hiccup? Otherwise known as a chapstick. But in Eli's term, it's a hiccup. What's it called, Eli?
Hiccup.
Why is it a hiccup? It's a chapstick.
Hiccup.
Yeah. Okay.